What is the scope of homeopathy in child care? But if you're in a little broader subject, but I want you to cover that.
The need of the hour is education of parents.
Good.
What is right and what is wrong. Understanding when the body is healing and when the body requires an assistant of a doctor. As a doctor, I personally feel the doctor who gives the least medication
Absolutely.
is the best doctor.
Absolutely.
Many a times you get patients say, "Are kinds dena," because they do not understand that least medication is something that's the most useful for a patient. So we sit across with patients and we try to meet each parent we try to make them understand as to what are these processes and when to wait and when to medicate. The first and most important thing whenever a patient comes to us is how is the patient today as compared to yesterday? How is the intensity of cough today as compared to yesterday? How is the loose motion today as compared to yesterday? So if we see a change in the frequency, for example, if today she says that no, today आज cough मातशें कमी आसा या lose motion काल 10 पाटी जाले आज फकत 5 पाटी जाला. So in such conditions we know that the body is taking care. That's why it's decreased and even without medications it will heal. So in such conditions we avoid any kind of medication. Our main goal is just to see that the patient doesn't get worse. If we understand that the body is healing, then we just allow the body's own immune system to take care of it. And what is the main intention of it? The main intention of it is so that the bodies create antibodies. The immune system creates antibodies that will remain for life. Otherwise, what do we see? Sometimes patients thandi potun thandi jata, and then they say they cannot have ice creams, they cannot have cold stuff, they cannot eat grapes and all. And for them it is healthy. But is the patient healthy? As a child, we want a child to have ice cream, we want a child to have grapes, bananas, and this can only be improved if they are put on long-time homeopathic treatment. So we see that the immune system gets built so that later they can have these things without any complications or without any episodes of cough or asthma, things of that. So basically we try to build up the immune system for the future.